Look, somebody said this indicator sucks. I don't think this sucks. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome. Talk about an all-in-one indicator where obviously I get something if you buy this thing. But you know what? I like it. Okay, I'm not gonna try and hawk something I don't like. So I like this indicator. I think it's cool. I think it's a solid thing for you to use for your trading tools. I used to think you had to try to find the holy grail. Look, every single indicator out there can be a tool for you. I basically use, for the algorithms I've been making, all I use is ATR based indicators. So it's just one thing, and there's thousands out there. I think there's 40,000 indicators that are kind of relatively well known. So don't hate on an indicator just because you think it sucks, because it doesn't tell you buy or sell. Those indicators are usually the ones that suck. Anyways, this one is really solid. It's actually, I've been following it. I haven't really made any trades with it just yet. Not quite sure how I want to use it. But what I've seen from it, though, is it does catch the overall trend pretty well when you use it in conjunction with the master cycle indicator down here. And you can obviously tell that we flipped here, went negative, as well as this thing started kind of getting into this little moving average cloud. And then it's just been short the whole time. So it actually says remain short here into these daily, monthly, and other daily levels, daily low. It just broke a monthly high. So very interesting that we're still bearish here. This is about to cross negative here on this cloud. So if you're into having an indicator that basically is just going to tell you what's going on, it's about as good as being automated, right? So obviously you got your indicators up here, just kind of giving you an idea of the trend. You can quickly glance at a ticker. Hey, look, okay, so Tesla had a bounce into a sell essentially. So talk about sell, a sell opportunity, right? So you're in a negative situation here, and you got a bounce into resistance into the split, right? So you could definitely see where this might be an interesting short opportunity. And still you got the negative cloud there. We'll see how that plays out. I didn't take any trade off of this, but you got a positive trend, so you might just ignore this altogether then if that's the case. Let's look at another one, GME. This thing has been flat, just riding this 33.50 line for quite a few days now, but definitely a negative trend. It's been in a sell for 6 days. You get the full setup here. So the way I've been looking at it and potentially using it is I'm watching Unusual Whales options flow. If I see flow coming in that's bearish, and then I could take a look at this and go, look, okay, obviously the trend is bearish because it's very visually telling. Then that's the play for me. Okay, it's not very hard. If you see bearish flow, you got a bearish alert, and then you see bearish. You don't have to think about it too much. You see a bearish trend on the price action. It doesn't take a lot of thought. That's the idea behind it. I like that idea. I like things to be simple and easy. I don't have to think about them too much. Like when I'm thinking about gamma exposure charts and all this stuff, that stuff is hard. This is easy. So if you want to check out more of this, go to the website in the description, grab yourself. I think there's a free trial for 3 days. You get access to these two indicators, and there's another one I'll be doing a video on soon once I figure out how to use it. So check those out and see what you think, and let me know how it works for you.